Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're having a fabulous Monday. Now I have notes because that is the only way that I can stay on track. I was making sure I didn't have lipstick on my teeth. Why do you want to exfoliate your lips? First of all, you're wanting to get rid of that dead, icky skin. They're dry, they're itchy, they're flaky. Especially in the winter, they get super dry, right? So you've got those skin cells that are building up, and that's what's making them feel so dry and rough and yuck. Hey, Alyssa, how are you? Secondly, you're wanting to smooth your lips. And guess what that's going to do? It's going to not only make them feel softer, they're going to look smoother, and it's also going to help your lipstick go on and glide extra smooth and nice. I remember days prior to exfoliating, and I remember my lips just looking chunky and thick and just yuck. And hi Rhonda, I just like it. Yes. You feel like a whale. Why would you say that? You don't look like a whale. My nose is itchy. But it just makes your lipstick go on a lot smoother. The texture of your lips, again, are going to be super nice and smooth. And it's just going to also make your lips appear very healthy. Hi, Caroline. There are 4 tips. Yes, I forgot to put that. Third tip. Exfoliating your lips it's going to help neutralize any lip discoloration. It's going to help to fade and remove dark spots that you may have, and also any nasty, icky impurities, because again, you're getting rid of those dead skin cells. It's super expensive. Super inexpensive. You can make your own. I mean, I use my face. I have a face mask that has the exfoliating beads, my skin polish. I use that on my lips. I also have a sugar scrub. Oh, that's right. That's right, little mama. Exfoliating your lips is huge. I never did it prior to my Lime Life business. Once I got into beauty, I just really started diving deep into things. And hi, Vicki. Exfoliating your lips is huge. I mean, my lips are so much happier. My lipstick doesn't look chunky and thick. It goes on nice and smooth and glides on. I have 3 recipes, 3 DIYs for lip scrubs. Again, I use my skin polish or my Scrub Teeny. My Scrub Teeny is a sugar scrub that I also use for my legs. Both are Lime Life. But if you want to make them at home, the first one is a sugar-based scrub. Thank you, Alyssa. Today is a no makeup day except some lips. So I'm just kind of here, but thank you. So you're going to mix equal parts olive oil and sugar to kind of create a paste, and you can just do this in a bowl. You can use white or brown sugar, not powdered sugar. And for a tastier treat, you can replace the olive oil with a coconut oil. Excuse me. Sorry about that. And the next one, you could do honey and sugar. Oh, thank you, Vicki. Thank you. You can also do a honey and a sugar scrub. 1/3 cup of honey, 2/3 cup of sugar. And the last one is 1 tablespoon of oatmeal and 3 tablespoons of warm milk or warm water. If you're doing this at breakfast, you've kind of got a little breakfast in there too. This is going to be extra soothing. With the oatmeal, it's going to be super soothing. Lastly, the way you want to do this, how you're going to do this. You can use a baby toothbrush, which is what I use. This is a Mickey and Minnie one. It's little, so it's not really big, so it's just perfect for my lips, and it's extra soft. Or you can use a mascara wand. You can actually get these in bags of 50, 100, however you want to purchase them. I have hundreds for my mascara samples, but I love using my little baby toothbrush because it's Mickey and Minnie, which is super cute. Or you can use a washcloth or a Q-tip, and what you're going to do is after you get your paste all made, you're going to put it on, and you can do it with your fingers, and then you're going to take your baby toothbrush or your spoolie or whatever you're using, and you're just going to go in circular motions, just gentle circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, maybe 3 if you really, really are liking it, or if they're in really, really bad shape, especially in the winter, you may want to do it a little bit longer. And then you're going to rinse that with warm water. Don't use a really hot water, just use a warm water. Then you're going to pat your lips dry, and then you're going to moisturize with your favorite moisturizer, your favorite oil or face oil, or your favorite lip balm. I use all of the above. I usually mix a moisturizer, my Skin Therapy, along with my One Drop Wonder and Must Do, and I apply that all over my face and then blot it onto my lips so that they're super happy, super silky and smooth. So yeah, that is my Monday lip tip for you. If you've made any of these lip scrubs, I would love to hear them below. If you've made any that I've mentioned, I would love to hear how you loved them. And if you have one you would love to share, I would like to hear that. And lastly, please share this with your friends because we all want nice, smooth, silky, luscious lips, right? Thanks for watching. I am going to go make some dinner. I appreciate you ladies so very much. Thanks again for your shares as well. Have a good evening. Bye.